Jahbari, your investor friendly agent. And so I want to talk to you about creative financing and three specifically that either I've executed or working on executing. So number one is subject to. What that means is just literally is subject to the existing mortgage. What I'm going to do is make a deal with the seller. They've qualified for the loan already, and they're going to make an agreement to basically allow me to use their interest rate and their qualification and just let me take over the deed and payments of the actual home. So a lot of legality things that need to be done, but basically that's what subject to is. Two, owner finance. Owner finance is where simple, the owner is taking the place of the bank. So instead of you going through the bank, you're just going to make payments to the owner. You can get real creative with this one. And we're currently talking to an owner right now to see how we can execute this second one for us. And the third one is the lease to purchase, meaning you're going to agree to a monthly payments that's going to give you ownership at a later date. Sometimes you refinance after 3 to 5 years, or you can just say, hey, after I've made so many payments, then this is going to be the ownership of me. So a lot of specific that has to be done, and I look forward to just maybe walking through some of the deals that we have specifically. And about all three of these, I've executed 2 of the ones. Subject to, I'm still working on. So maybe I can walk you through that journey. So if you want more real estate tips, make sure you follow me at Jahbari Real Estate so I can continue to give you insight on how to build a legacy through real estate.